Gator Pit Rich Robin here. We have a nice backyard classic that is obviously tricked out by our customer. He upgraded it from a 20-inch diameter to a 24-inch diameter by 32 main chamber with a 24 diameter by 20 long grill firebox, stainless steel table, utensil hangers. We've got D-rings. We have obviously golf cart kit, our golf cart kit added to it. The grill firebox, gator gauges, counterweighted, birdhouse stack, probe ports, hot plate over the grill firebox, gas assist, sliding meat racks, dial style air vents, heavy duty 1/4-inch thick fire grate, the gas system in the back with the control valve, and the quick connect stainless steel regulator hose. Again, that golf cart kit. Ash rake and fire poker with the hangers. The tools aren't on there. We got them in the shop still. Some custom artwork. Oh wait, there they are. Look. They actually go up here, but we're shipping this thing. We've got some artwork there, Texas artwork. There's an actual access door there with a charcoal grate down below that. So if he needs more grill space than what he has over here, he can actually grill in here as well. So we do have a grill and a smoker in one with the sliding food trays and our tuning plates. Again, that 304 brushed stainless steel, the stainless steel rivets attaching it. And let me get one of our welders out here, and we're going to roll this thing around and show you how easy this thing is to roll these golf cart wheels on it. Big front shelf. Look how big that is. 15 inches, guys. This thing came out 15 inches. Very nice. Hey, Mondo, can you come roll this? Let's show how easy it is to roll. See how easy this thing is to roll, guys. Let me close it up. Show them how easy it is to roll. Extremely easy. Our mechanisms down there for our hubs and also our steering mechanisms are made out of trailer hubs, greased packed bearings and spindles. As you can see, he's easily rolling this big old monster around. Thank you. Very easy to do. And the T-handle is removable. It also locks in the upward position. And done. Those are 2,000-pound hubs, spindles, and bearings in the 4 golf cart wheel assembly on the axles and also your steering mechanisms. We don't use little washers, 1/2-inch washers, 3/4-inch washers. We got metal on metal rubbing, guys. We actually come in here and fab an entire trailer system on here that you'd have on a utility trailer going down the highway. We fabricated our axles out of, actually those are 3,500-pound axles with 2K hubs on there. So we make everything down there. We don't build anything cheap. We don't make it cheap. It's Gator Pit, guys. That is Gator Pit. I'm Rich Robin. There's my contact information. Give us a call. Let us know what Gator Pit can do for you. See ya.